Welcome back. We're here at day 2 of the Wood-Fired University, and joining me right now is Ajit Dharma, president of Fire Within and the Wood-Fired University, and Chef Stephanie Peterson from Panhandle Milling. And I tell you what, it has been an amazing event so far. Day 3 still ahead.
That's right.
But yesterday we took the flour from Panhandle Milling. We made these perfect dough balls. All the students learned how to make them. Today, proofed them, cooked them, and they were knocking it out of the park. Ajit.
Taste wonderful, isn't it? This is the first time we use Panhandle Milling flour, and I think testimonial I got was really when they tasted the pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday they were making dough. They weren't quite sure how it's going to perform, right? Stephanie, you saw the smiles in their face. So,
You know, and if you ask any chef, they'll tell you good ingredients in, good product out. And Stephanie, that's exactly what we had. We had beautiful pizzas coming out of these ovens, probably about 200 pizzas. They were killing it.
They did a wonderful job, and I really enjoy seeing like the aha where this has turned out the way I would have hoped or just prayed it would have turned out. They all turned out beautiful, and just seeing kind of the learning curve too. Like every now and then a few burnt ones, but as they're kind of learning and growing, and the hands-on experiences that they're having have just been brilliant to see. I just love it. Love it.
Well, Stephanie, I noticed you rolled up your sleeve, jumped right in there, was helping them, coaching them, encouraging them. And, you know, it really boils down to a consistent product. And Ajit, that's music to any chef's ears, isn't it? Knowing that we can remove that from the question marks.
I think you nailed it. One of the things that we are really excited to do, like Bill said, performance, consistency, in a mobile wood-fired catering event, the taste is what is going to tell the final story. And I have to tell you, Stephanie, what I'm really excited about is using Kamut.
Yeah.
Because I know Panhandle Milling takes a lot of pride in Kamut product.
Absolutely.
And we are going to have an advanced session with Michael Calanti in October. So we want to use the Kamut to do some pizza making. So we're planning on using that, and we're planning on using that with some sourdough starters coming in from San Francisco. So that we have an exciting lineup for October also.
Well, we're really excited about it. Stephanie, we're glad that you could be here today, helping at the oven, helping in the kitchen. Everybody's just really enjoyed having your personality around and your product as well. And I know you're going to be back in October. We're looking forward to that. And what's the best way for everybody to learn more about Panhandle Milling?
Really easy to find, panhandlemilling.com on the web. So great recipes there, and they can order our products straight from that site as well.
Easy enough. Stephanie, thanks for being on again.
So much.